Mike here. Just wanted to check in and put together this little video to show you how my NearScape Design products actually arrive if you were to order one. Okay, so just to give you an idea of how these are packaged, they come in very well packaged in this heavy durable plastic. So they do a really nice job. Find your thing. And here's an example of a product that I purchased. This is one of my photographs from the NearScape Design collection. And it will come, this is a pillow. So this is a throw pillow. And it's going to come nice and flat, packaged like so. I've got one shot at this because I only have one. And I'm going to open this up and show you how it kind of inflates itself. Okay, so inside this package, there will be the outer cover. Now you can order the cover by itself and put a material inside if you wish. But it comes like this so that you can order the pillow material separately and insert that yourself. It's got a very nice zipper on it, which is quite well hidden. When that's closed up, it's invisible. So they do a really nice job on that. Nice fabric. Okay, and if I just open this up, there you go. Now it was flat and it just, the air is now in there. So I guess they vacuum packed that. And then you can just insert that. And I'm not going to do this because I kind of suck at putting this stuff in here. So I'm going to leave it and maybe I'll jump back in again in a moment and show you the finished product. Okay, I'm back, and here's the finished product. That wasn't too bad at all. Wasn't too much of a fight. So these products are available on mugs, canvas prints, pillows like so, tin prints. Some of them are even available on fashion. T-shirts, sweatshirts, dresses, skirts, just a whole variety of products. Phone cases, let me think what else. There's quite a lot of things. Postcards, and variety of sizes, of course. This pillow is a smaller one, but they're available even smaller than this and much larger than this as well. So, thanks for watching, and hope you visit the store. And if you purchase anything, I hope you enjoy it. Thanks so much.